Okay friends, so in this video I am going to give you my pocket option strategy that can help you to make profit on a daily basis. So watch this video very carefully, and after watching this video, if you think this video added some value to your life, then please do like this video. And if you want some free signal or want to do copy trading, then then visit to my Telegram channel, join my Telegram channel. Okay, so this strategy that I'm going to show you in this video works like a charm. Okay, you just need to use a little bit your mind. Okay, and you only need to find this kind of candle. Okay, inverted hammer or this kind of hammer. Okay, and once you see that a candle is trying to make this kind of format, okay, then immediately see at the past what happened when this kind of candle have been formed. Okay, as you can see here you can see one candle was similar type of a hammer. Okay, right after that, then market tried to go up even if fell below, right? And you need to do the same. Okay, whenever this formed, okay, this kind of candle have formed, then you could have made trade by clicking on higher, because here also you can see the similar format was at here. Okay, now as you can see here, right after this candle, okay, when this candle was forming, okay, you can see in the past what had happened. Okay, here you can see one candle, similar type of candle was formed. Okay, and this candle went up and it again came down. That means you need to make trade by clicking on lower. Okay, now we'll find exact place where this kind of candle. So here also you can see here is one candle, but you could have seen before what happened. Okay, here you can see one candle of similar format. Okay, and right after that candle there was a higher, there was a green candle formed. Now you can assume that this market will go up and click on higher. Okay, you need to take reference from another candle. Now this is not going to close on that. Okay, but let's see in another real time. Okay, now we'll see in a real time. So like if it is trying to make a hammer format, and as you can see here is one this inverted hammer format like this. Okay, the market came up to below and it went up. That means we need to make trade by clicking on higher. But this didn't closed on this kind of format, so you need to ignore this trade. Okay, and here you can see here is one inverted hammer. Okay, and if you see in the past, if there is any inverted hammer, as you can see here is one inverted hammer type of format, and market went down. So you can make trade by clicking on lower in this candle. I'll even make trade by clicking on lower because it have moved too much up and it will surely fall down. Okay, even if another candle came, that will also fall down according to my guess. Okay, so as you can see this candle, after this candle there was a red candle. That's why we assume that market will go down. Now of course 100% of the time your trades are not going to be right, but most of the time your trades will go right if you do this kind of trading in a proper way. Okay, so let's see what happens in this trade. We have still 30 seconds remaining. So now we have 17 seconds. So let's wait and see what happens. So if you are confused, you can again rewatch this video, okay, to have a clear understanding. We made a profit at here. And now again let's find in another currency pair if there are any. Here you can see here was one hammer here. Now you see in previously what happened. Here is one hammer format, right? Right after this hammer format, market fell down. Okay, now you can assume that this market will also fall down and make trade by clicking on lower at here. Okay, the thing that we did previously, same thing you need to do at here, and let's hope to be right here. We have 44 seconds remaining. Let's see what happens in this trade. I think if another candle came, that will also fall down. Okay, according to my guess, but anything can happen in the market and you may face loss. Okay, not 100% of your trades are going to be right, but you should be hopeful and keep on trading in this format. Okay, and obviously you are going to make profit on a daily basis. So let's see how much time left. 15 seconds. We have 15 seconds remaining, and let's see what happens in this. It seems a little bit risky, but still we can become profitable in this trade, I guess. 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, we made profit in this trade too. Okay, so now let's try to find any other currency pair. Okay, currency pair, if we have some kind of, here you can see this is also trying to make a hammer format. So quickly look at the previous, if there was any. We could not find. Here was one. Okay, and it tried to, it moved up. That means you can make trade by clicking on higher in here. Okay, we found a little bit late. Okay, this was a hammer, this was also a hammer, and it moved up. Okay, and we made trade by clicking on higher. Let's see what happens in this trade. We have 45 seconds remaining. So it seems like it will go wrong, but let's be hopeful and see what happens in this trade. So it is clearly falling down, but it can suddenly rise up also. Okay, let's wait. Yes, we are definitely going to be wrong in this trade, but that doesn't matter. Or not all of your trades are going to be right. Okay, so we have 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We made a loss in this trade, but let's again see any other currency pair if there are any hammer format. So here also you can see there was a hammer format. Okay, and if you see in previously there was this kind of hammer format, and it market have fall down, right? And right after this candle, market went up. Okay, and then again it fall down. That means you could have easily make trade by clicking on lower when this market was up, and it still profited from this trade. Okay, so let's see in another. So this also seems like it is trying to make a hammer format. Okay, let's see. Here is also one hammer format. Okay, and after this hammer, market fell down, so you can make trade by clicking on lower if it closes on a hammer. Let's see what happens. It need to close in this kind of format, and you can expect to be right in this trade by clicking on lower. Okay, so let's see what happens. We have took reference from this candle. Let's wait and see. So how much time remaining? 41 seconds. Let's see. If it went like this up, okay, and you feel that market will still calm down, then you can make trade by clicking on lower in this top also. Okay, it is your choice. Okay, as you can see, it is doing the same thing what it did at here. Okay, it fell down, as you can see, but we still have 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. We made a profit in this trade. So friends, in this way you can take risk and think about it as you are getting a signal. Okay, and be quick to decide. Okay, and if market goes in the opposite direction, okay, wherever you have made trade, then you can even make trade from the top. If I have made one more trade at here from here, okay, then I could have gone right in both of these trades. Okay, and could make good amount of money. So if you are still confused about this strategy, then you can watch it. You can, I would definitely suggest you to firstly test it properly in your demo account. Okay, and if it is working for you, then only use it in your real account. Okay, and please do like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.